पर फिर आपको लिए चलते हैं नोएडा, जहां एमिटी स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस के इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का आज दूसरा दिन है।
And he has also contributed as a speaker at G20 forums. Again, it's our pleasure to have you on the panel, sir. May I now request Dr. Ruchika Jaiswal, ma'am, to present a sapling to sir. Next, we have with us Mr. Naveen Tandon, Director, Human Capital Services at Deloitte, India. He is an IIM Ahmedabad alumnus with over a decade of global experience in HR transformation, organization design, workforce strategy, and people analytics. Mr. Tandon has worked extensively with Fortune 500 and large Indian organizations across sectors such as power and utilities, manufacturing, banking, FMCG, technology, and helping businesses build future-ready, skill-based, and digitally enabled workforces. His expertise in managing workforce transformation and talent models is highly relevant to today's evolving gig economy. Sir, we are delighted to have you, and may I now request Dr. Richa Shekhar ma'am to welcome sir with the sapling. Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have with us a very eminent speaker again, Mr. Rahul Jain, founder and director of Guftagu. Sir is an entrepreneur, investor, philanthropist, and leadership coach with over 2 decades of experience in leadership development, entrepreneurship, and business strategy. He is the founder and director of BizWiz Learning and the founder of Guftagu, a circle of trust, India's leading sustainable leadership networking platform. He is the director and licensee of Leadership Management International LMI, the world's largest leadership development company, and serves on the boards of SkillWiz Private Limited, Sandeep Global Private Limited, and TT Limited, an NSE listed company. He is a mentor at the IIM Ahmedabad CIIE. Sir is also a visiting faculty, keynote speaker at leading national and international institutions. He actively contributes to academia, startup and social initiatives, and is associated with professional bodies such as IMA, CIA, TIE, and many more. We welcome you, sir, and may I now invite Dr. Anshul Malik, ma'am, to welcome sir with a sapling. Thank you, ma'am. Our next distinguished panelist is Ms. Shalini Ravla, founder of Key Consumer Diagnostics, an independent consumer and market insights firm established in the year 2005. With nearly 2 decades of experience in decoding evolving consumer behavior, ma'am partners with leading brands to shape growth, strategy, innovation, and go-to-market decisions through sharp diagnostics and human-centered insights. She brings a strong perspective on how the gig economy, independent work, and digital platforms are reshaping entrepreneurship and everyday buying behavior. We look forward to her insights on building sustainability. Again, we welcome you, ma'am. Now, may I now request Dr. Deepa Kapoor, ma'am, to welcome ma'am with a sapling. Thank you, ma'am. To moderate today's panel discussion, we are privileged to have with us Ms. Avantika Kansal, a journalist, political commentator, and content creator working at the intersection of national politics, public policy, and geopolitics. With a sharp analytical approach and a passion for making complex issues accessible, she brings critical insights to public discourse. Ms. Avantika regularly hosts seminars at universities, participates in ground events, lending her expertise wherever needed. Ma'am has studied public policy at Indian Institute